What are financial statements? We'll consider financial statements to be those reports that describe how well your clinic is doing in financial terms. Most people think the primary reason for producing financial statements is to provide the information needed to file a tax return. While this is obviously an important use of your financial reports, the information provided in the balance sheet and income statement can also be used to better manage your practice and increase your profitability. The financial statements provide you with detailed information about your revenues, key expenses, the assets or resources available to the clinic for future operations, and amounts owed by the practice. Financial statements can help you identify business and internal control weaknesses in your hospital, as well as aid in planning for the future. While financial statements should be a key tool used in running your practice, they do have some limitations. A full set of financial statements is usually only produced on a quarterly or annual basis. Therefore, problems or opportunities may exist for some time before being recognized. Secondly, financial statements are prepared on a historical cost basis. This means that all assets of the practice are initially recorded at the value paid for them. If an asset has declined in value, this is reflected in the financial statements. But if it has increased in value, that increase is not shown. You may need to use other sources of information to get a true picture of the value of some of your assets. In addition, basic financial statements may not provide the level of detail needed to fully understand what is going on in your practice and how to fix a problem or capitalize on an opportunity. Therefore, they need to be used in conjunction with other information to best manage your operations. Most practices generally have a full set of financial statements produced by their accountant on a quarterly or annual basis. Internally generated income statements or other information are used to manage the practice between the times the full financial statements are received. It is critical that basic financial information be available at least monthly in order to best manage a practice. Your accountant should be a part of your practice's management team, and you should be getting more from him or her than basic financial statement and tax return preparation. Your accountant should have a solid understanding of the business of veterinary medicine and be monitoring key indicators and ratios in your financial statements in order to provide you with useful management advice to help you improve your operations and profitability. He or she should help you develop an effective bookkeeping system that provides accurate, timely financial information with a low likelihood of fraud. Your accountant should assist you with tax planning strategies, as well as long-range planning and budgeting and personal financial planning. Many accountants can also help you with all kinds of employee and general management issues in addition to financial topics. Probably the hardest concept for people to understand in accounting